The controversy surrounding the use of the word Dham for the Jagannath temple project in Digha appears to have come to an end, with the West Bengal government deciding to drop the term from the shrine's name. The decision has been widely welcomed across Odisha by political leaders, temple officials and Jagannath devotees, many of whom had raised concerns over the use of the word for a temple outside Puri. The development came after Odisha formally objected to the nomenclature and urged the West Bengal government to reconsider the use of the term. Responding to the concerns, West Bengal announced that the shrine would now be known simply as Sri Jagannath Temple. Odisha Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan thanked the West Bengal government for responding swiftly to the request and said the decision respected the sentiments of millions of Jagannath devotees.
तुरंत से चिट्ठी को रेस्पॉन्ड करिवा एवं तुरंत से चिट्ठीर आधार रे सेटी एभली एक गुरुत्वपूर्ण निष्पत्ति भी संगे संगे रे नेले जे जो धाम शब्द अछि जगन्नाथ धाम जो लिखा है महाप्रभुकर मंदिर रे से धाम शब्द को सेठी उच्छेद करा जाऊ दिघा रे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री पश्चिम बंगाल श्री शुभेन्दु अधिकारी को ओडिशावासी तरफ हो जगन्नाथ प्रेमी समग्र विश्व रे जगन्नाथ प्रेमी तरफ आमे निश्चित भाव में कृतज्ञता जनाऊँ एभली एक तुरंत निष्पत्ति नैथिबा कारणरु.
State BJP President Manmohan Samal also welcomed the move, stating that the issue was deeply linked to the emotions and faith of devotees and that the decision had brought relief to many people.
जोटा गोटे सेंटिमेंट कथा थिला से सेंटिमेंट कथाटा को से कहिसंते निश्चित भाव में सेटा हम से सरकार समय चिट्ठी लिखथिले कहिथिले किंतु से सुनिया अवस्था नथिले आम सरकार आसला तेणु ये विषय को से जो कहवा उचित से कहले सारा विश्व सेंटिमेंट हट होता तेणु सारा विश्व आज खुशी से बाबद समस्त आज खुशी से.
The Sri Jagannath Temple Administration or SJTA also expressed satisfaction over the development. Chief Administrator Dr. Aravinda Kumar Padhi said devotees across the country would welcome the decision and stressed the importance of preserving the traditions and customs associated with Lord Jagannath. Even the head priest of the Jagannath Temple in Digha welcomed the announcement, saying the request made by Odisha had been accepted and the shrine would now officially be referred to as Sri Jagannath Temple.
श्री संबित पात्रा जी ने हमारे जो वेस्ट बंगाल के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हैं श्री शुभेन्दु अधिकारी जी उनसे चीफ मिनिस्टर का फिर से वही निवेदन लेके आए थे और आज माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ने दीघा जगन्नाथ धाम का नाम चेंज करने की घोषणा की. अब धाम नहीं कहा जाएगा, अब दीघा जगन्नाथ मंदिर कहा जाएगा. हम इसका स्वागत करते हैं.
The issue had sparked a debate in Odisha, where many felt that the term Dham holds a unique religious and cultural association with the Jagannath temple in Puri. With the latest decision, leaders and devotees hope the matter has now been resolved amicably.